Welcome back to Seyyah Ressam, where we journey through the latest tech innovations with a critical eye. Today, we'll unbox a gadget that promises to change the way you interact with your home. The Dreame D20 Ultra has arrived as one of the most surprising robot vacuum and mop combos in its price bracket, offering performance and features that are usually reserved for premium models nearly twice its cost. Priced at around $400, the D20 Ultra delivers an impressive 13,000 pascals suction power, automatic mop, washing and drying, intelligent carpet recognition, and a massive 260 minutes of runtime, making it one of the most compelling options for households looking for convenience and efficiency without breaking the bank. At first glance, the Dreame D20 Ultra embodies the brand's familiar minimalist design language. With a clean white finish that looks sleek and modern, both the robot and its docking station feature matching tones that integrate seamlessly into most home interiors. On top of the robot sits a raised lidar sensor tower, essential for 3D mapping and navigation. Beneath it, 3 physical buttons allow users to send the robot back to the dock, toggle power, or activate spot cleaning mode. The front bumper houses obstacle avoidance sensors, complemented by an ultrasonic sensor that identifies floor types and carpets with impressive accuracy. Flipping the robot over reveals a simple yet effective setup: 2 large wheels, a smaller guiding wheel, a side brush, a main rubber roller brush, designed to avoid hair tangles, and 2 detachable rotating mop pads, measuring 35 centimeters in diameter and just under 10 centimeters tall. The D20 Ultra easily slides under furniture, while its ability to climb thresholds and carpets up to 2 centimeters ensures smooth navigation in most environments. The docking station mirrors Dreame's premium lineup, standing 34 centimeters tall, 59 centimeters wide, and 45 centimeters deep. Despite its robust functionality, it does not dominate the room. It includes a 4.5-liter clean water tank, a 4-liter dirty water tank, and a 3.2-liter dust bag concealed behind a front panel. This setup enables the dock to automatically empty the robot's 320 milliliters dust bin and wash the mop pads with warm air drying to eliminate odors, reducing user maintenance to virtually zero for up to 100 days. Considering its affordable price, this all-in-one dock is a standout feature. Performance is where the D20 Ultra truly shines. Its 13,000 pascals suction power surpasses many high-end competitors, lifting fine dust, pet hair, and larger debris with ease. The lidar sensor with 3D Adapt technology ensures accurate mapping and efficient route planning, while the Smart Pathfinder obstacle detection system helps the robot gracefully avoid toys, furniture, and cords during operation. The ultrasonic floor sensor adds another layer of intelligence, detecting carpets automatically and boosting suction through the carpet. Boost mode for deep cleaning. What makes the D20 Ultra even more remarkable is its ability to lift the mop pads up to 10.5 millimeters when transitioning over carpets or returning to the dock. This prevents wetting carpets and avoids recontaminating clean floors. Dreame's Duo Scrub system enhances mopping performance with dual rotating mop pads, combined with Robo Swing technology, which swings the robot's body slightly to press the pads firmly against the floor and extend coverage into corners and edges. Compared to previous generations, this system improves edge cleaning efficiency by up to 60%. The Dreame Home app further unlocks customization, offering features like multi-floor mapping, no-go zones, virtual walls, and customized cleaning modes. Users can fine-tune suction, strength, mop pressure, and set specialized cleaning for carpets or edges. Setting up the D20 Ultra is straightforward, with the robot quickly generating accurate maps in just a few minutes. During real-world use, the robot impressed with its quiet operation in standard mode, barely noticeable during daily activities. Only when running on turbo mode does the noise level increase, potentially disturbing light sleepers. But this is expected given the higher suction power. Cleaning performance is reliable, with strong suction and effective mopping that handles dust and stains well. Although in cases of heavy mess or food crumbs, a second pass ensures spotless results. The side brush, while helpful, occasionally struggles with larger debris. But overall pickup efficiency remains commendable. Perhaps one of the most striking advantages of the Dreame D20 Ultra is its exceptional battery life. Equipped with a 5,200 mAh battery, it delivers up to 260 minutes of continuous operation on standard mode, far surpassing many competitors that max out at around 180 minutes. Despite similar battery capacities, this makes it particularly well suited for larger homes, allowing it to clean expansive spaces without requiring a recharge mid-session. In conclusion, the Dreame D20 Ultra delivers outstanding value at just $400. Combining powerful suction, intelligent carpet care, advanced mop lifting, and an all-in-one cleaning dock that rivals premium robots costing over $700. Its thoughtful design, long battery life, and quiet operation make it an excellent choice for families, especially those with both hard floors and carpets. While no robot is perfect, and some areas may require a second pass, the D20 Ultra proves to be a near-perfect companion for automated home cleaning, setting a new benchmark for performance and convenience in its price range.